we travelled overseas together, the need for a good aesthetic was, it was painful, actually. It didn't matter that we'd been walking for hours. It didn't matter that we were hungry. No, we needed to go eat someplace that looked really nice, because that's what's important for the vlog. Nonetheless, Sarah was committed to her cause. She got her good shots, and so when I got home, I eagerly awaited the vlogs of Europe that we had gone out of the way for. Now it's been 7 months, and all we have is London. Shame.
Yeah, we love your clip.
I think Naomi's clip's too big.
Hey! I told you it was! Alright, what's the gelato situation?
I'm just trying to get a direction. I'm waiting for the Wi-Fi.
Also, like, you can see Nell and I's suitcase, and like, this place, we've just like exploded our suitcases everywhere. Hello! So today is our first full day in Paris. We have a pretty packed day. Slept pretty well, you know, we got ready. I mean, we meant to leave at like 8 and it's like 8:45, so it's been a bit of a slow morning. So we are at the Cremieux. Yeah, and it's like really pretty.
Hi, Sarah's vlog. This is a sponsor from yours truly. This dress is cotton on, $6 Target shoes. These are from Malaysia. I got them really cheap from Ripoff because they're not real Ravens. And my British Museum bag, but I put it away so no one knows I'm a tourist. Although everyone knows I'm a tourist because I speak like this. Okay, bye. Getting the pics for the gram.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get all of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long.
All those photos you see out there, I'm taking them. I'm not being paid. It's actually child labour. I've been promised lunch now and we've ended up here. Hope you all buy me some.
We're just at the Notre Dame, but probably won't go any closer.
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meat.
No, stab it and then don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Oh, that's really nice.
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm complying. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sunrise. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with is you.
When I got married.
Nell's just spending a bit of me time. Maybe that's a Ferris wheel.
This is okay. Oh, hey guys, it's me. We're in Paris. Oh, I can't do this. This is so awkward. Now,
My name's Megan. This is me.
we're in the Eiffel Tower. This is take 2.
This is what
I got called Nicki Minaj earlier.
No big deal.
No big deal. Yeah, it tastes like a samosa.
Alright. Is it weird on chicken nuggets? Oh,
It's spicy.
I like the way you shiver before you fall asleep.
sweet sound.